everyone, I'm Sarimel Bakyal, a BSED math student of ASCAT. So this day, I will discuss the operation on integers. So there are four ways on operation in integers. First is addition, second is subtraction, next is multiplication, and the last one is division. So, in adding integers with different signs, subtract the smaller number to the bigger number in the terms of absolute value. Then, copy the sign of the number with higher absolute value to the sum. For example, negative 8 plus positive 4. Negative 8 plus positive 4 is equal to negative 4. Is equal to negative 4 because the bigger absolute value is the negative 8. That's why we have to copy the bigger number. And it has a different signs. That's why the answer is negative 4. The number 2 is negative 4 plus positive 8. So here we can see that the bigger number here is 8 and the sign of that number is positive. That's why our answer is positive 4. So in adding integers with same sign, just add the numbers and copy the common signet the sum. So for example, positive 6 plus positive 4. So same sign. Then we have to add that. That's why 6 plus 4 is equal to positive 10. Then number 2 is positive 8 plus positive 10. So here we can say that you can see that it has a same sign. That's why our answer is positive 8. Next is subtracting integers. So in subtracting integers, add the additive inverse of the subtrahend to the minuend, follow the rules in adding integers. So here it's the same way with the adding integers. So example, negative 6 minus negative 2. So here it has a same sign, so we will minus because it is subtracting. Then copy the sign of. So negative 6 minus negative 2 is equal to negative 4. So number 2, 6, positive 6 minus negative 2. So we see here that the minus is followed by a negative 2. When the equation is like that, we will have to add it, or the value will change into addition. That's why here 6 plus 2 is equals to 8, positive 8. So, multiplying integers. And multiplying integers with the same sign, just multiply the number and put a positive sign in the product. So, number 1, negative 3 times negative 5 is the same sign. So, when we multiply the same sign, for example, it will be considered as a positive. That's why negative 3 times negative 5 is equals to 15. Then number 2, positive 4 times positive 6. So same sign, that's why it will consider as a positive. So 4 times 6 is equals to positive 24. So in multiplying integer with different sign, just multiply the number and out a negative sign in the product. So number 1, negative 2 times positive 5. So here we can see that it has different signs. So here, negative 2 times positive 5. So it has different signs. That's why it will be a negative. That's why the answer here is negative 10. Then number 2, positive 4 times negative 3. Same as number 1. So it has different sign. That's why the answer is negative. So positive 4 times negative 3 is equal to negative 12. So here the last one is division of integers. So in dividing integers with the same sign, just divide the number and put a positive sign in the quotient. Same as multiplying integers. So number 1, negative 10 divide negative 5. So same sign, that's why the answer is positive. So negative 10 divide negative 5 is equal to positive 2. The next example is positive 12 divide positive 3. It has the same sign again. Then that's why the answer is positive 4. And the last number here, it has different signs. So signs, it has different sign. So that's why the answer will be negative, considered as negative because it has different sign. So negative 15 divide positive 3 is equals to negative 5. So that are the four ways on operation of integers. Thank you.